Okay, we'll pack a mirror, same thing, setting up our box. We might have situations where the picture is very expensive, nice frames or antique frames or very, very fragile. We are using paper pads. We're gonna wrap the mirror in this situation. We're gonna wrap it in brown paper or paper pads first and then pack it in the box. It's pretty simple. You go like this, like this. And then all right, once it's wrapped, we're gonna slide it in the box. It would look like this, and then we're gonna fill up all the spaces with paper. Ready to be loaded in the truck. It doesn't move. Perfect.